I have had the occasion to use this item several times. I absolutely love it. It does exactly what it is supposed to do, and that is to take the photo without the camera being touched. I have used this on over 200 pictures and have had no issues. This is perfect for landscapes and long exposure shots, both of which I have done with this item. There are more expensive ones out there, but for the purpose I needed it, this item was economical and works great. It's great for what it is. Cheap shutter button. I went for this one over all the other ones because of the longer cables. Overall it works exactly as it should. My only gripe is that the button is mushy. It's difficult to tell when the button is at the halfway point, focus, vs pushed in all the way, shutter. It wasn't a huge issue because when I am using it I usually have it manually focused. But a few times when I press the button it didn't register as a shot, so from there I made sure to press the button firmly. Works as intended, and pretty much plug and play, which is awesome. Asterisk, but if you really need that long shutter shot, better have a solid heavy tripod. Even that slight twitch of the cable from a breeze can still ruin the shot with the higher power lens on tripod. I even had a weight on my hook. So know your purpose. If you are using stock and short range lens it should not affect as much. If you are doing those super long shutters, go with the Bluetooth remote. They are more of a pain with settings on the T7i, but really only way to go. I keep this and my Bluetooth remote in my primary bag. So simple and not overly complicated, this remote shutter does the job well. I was originally thinking of buying a 2.4GHz remote shutter with timer settings, etc. Click link in description for more reviews.